Hello friends, I am Dr. Abhilash Naik. In this small video, I am going to talk about the nature, characteristics and importance of self-learning materials. All the self-learning materials, they have a uniform design or structure. This uniform design is maintained for the structure of the units, the blocks and the courses in order to maintain uniformity across the courses. These self-learning materials are produced by a team of experts. A team of experts produces these materials, evaluates them at regular intervals and revises them periodically. They are self-instructional in nature. That means one doesn't need external or additional instruction while going through the materials. We have a live teacher, a teacher built inside the study materials. One can see somebody guiding the learners all the way through the course materials. So they are self-instructional in nature. They are self-explanatory. That means learners don't need any external support to understand the materials which are given to them. They are self-contained also. That means they are self-sufficient. One doesn't need any additional material to understand these materials. They are self-directed. It means learners are given guidance throughout the unit, throughout the courses regarding the use of the materials so that they don't need external guidance for these things. Most importantly, they are also self-motivating. They relate to the familiar situations, real life situations of the learners so that learning becomes meaningful and inspires the learners to raise problems and use their higher order thinking skills. They are self-evaluating. We have many self-assessment questions, exercises, activities, unit and questions for evaluation and feedback in the self-learning materials. These activities and things inside the self-learning materials, they help the learners evaluate themselves. And at last, they are self-learning. That means they help the learners become self-reliant or autonomous learners because in course of their study, they use the hints, guidance, references which facilitate their learning. They develop from individual learners to autonomous learners. They don't need any support from the external sources. The self-learning materials are also self-active. They are self-active because they have different kinds of activities in them which activate, which motivate, which keep the learners active during their study. They are the thinking activities, writing activities and doing activities. The thinking activities are given in the form of self-assessment questions. It could be multiple choice questions. There could be long questions which demand application of higher order thinking skills. These questions motivate the learners to think the problems from different perspectives and reply them. We also have activities which involve some writing, activities like writing from the memory, rephrasing whatever is given in the text and writing in their own words. And finally, we also have the doing activities which inspire the learners to make use of the application, to make use of or apply the skills that they have. They mainly aim at developing skills among the learners. These activities include the practicals, the study tours, and the collection of different kinds of data from the field. The self-learning materials are also different in a different sense because they have access devices. That means they may help the learners access the materials. The learners become accessible, comprehensible and useful to the learners. They help the learners find their way inside the study materials. we find access devices used before the presentation of the contents in forms of the structure, in forms of the introduction, in forms of the objectives. We have access devices which are used during the use of the materials, like the headings, subheadings, illustrations are given, pictures are given, all these things are given during the study of the materials. And access devices are also given after the unit has been studied, like unit end questions, latest sum up, answers to self-assessment questions, all these things are given. Thank you very much.